Welcome to DMI University, Mangochi, a place where learning meets nature. Here, the beauty of the environment surrounds every corner of the campus. So as we move deeper into the university's ecosystem, we first come across the fish ponds. These fish ponds are home to different species of fish, providing both a source of food and a practical learning site for students studying aquaculture. The still waters reflect the calm environment of the campus, where the fish contribute to the biodiversity that sustains this ecosystem. The presence of clean water, aquatic plants, and fish helps maintain a natural balance, demonstrating the connection between human and aquatic life. And as you can see, there are about 8 fish ponds, and right now you can just see 2 of them, but there are about 8, which counts and it helps in the food production. Next, we visit banana fields, a symbol of life and productivity. These fields are not only supply food to the community, but also prevent soil erosion through their broad leaves and dense root networks. Bananas thrive in the fertile Mangochi soil, nourished by both sunlight and the water sources nearby. They play a key role in the ecosystem by supporting pollination to bees and birds. Beyond the fields lies the forest, a peaceful yet vital part of the DMI ecosystem. Here, trees provide shade, purify the air, offer shelter to various species of bird, insects, small animals. This natural forest reminds us the importance of preserving green space for balance and stability. Not far from the campus is the magnificent Lake Malawi. The lake is a lifeline for the local community, providing fish for food, water for daily needs, and a place of recreation. So as you can see, you see people in boats, others are fishing. As you can see, there's a fishing net. So here we see boats gently floating on the water, and at the beginning people swimming. It's a perfect place and example of how human and nature coexist in harmony, depending on each other for survival. It's a great place, as you can see, the green waters, beautiful place. As we move forward towards the mountains, the place which defines DMI with its beautiful mountains, a different story unfolds. While the mountain ecosystem is a home to various plants and wildlife, including snakes and small animals, it also faces challenges. As you can see, the scenes of burning fire, deforestation shows the impact of human activity, threatening the natural balance and habitat for many creatures. This reminds us that conservation is not just important, but necessary to protect the environment for future generations. So for the mountains, it's a great place to go for hiking, a beautiful place. So the ecosystem of DMI University Mangochi is a living classroom, teaching us every element of nature, big or small, plays a vital role in sustaining life.